Hi everybody, I'm Judy King here, TRX Senior Master Instructor. I'm going to be showing you the progressions for a TRX rip punch. So, safety strap on the left hand. My base hand is going to be palm down, zone 1. And my power hand, also palm down, but in zone 4. So what I want to do in the rip punch is to starting position, standing facing away, so I can find my end range. So I've got enough resistance and tension on the resistance cord without having too much. So I've got that, I'm ready to go. So first off, just nice and easy, focusing on two things. Firstly, digging the ball of the foot into the ground and rotating from the hip. You'll see I'm digging the ball of the foot in and driving through, rotating from the hip. So we can then use that hip rotation to generate more force and power as we take the intensity up. Second, pulling with the base hand and driving out with the power hand. So it's push-pull. Once I've got that, then I want to add a step and a little bit more power. Stepping in, keeping everything with it. Hip rotation, push and a pull. Getting the intensity up. If I want to go to the next level, shuffle, punch through. So shuffle, shuffle, step, push back. Driving through hip. Push pulls happening. And there you have it. Heart rate gets up. Great training. Judy King here. Check me out. JudyKingFitness.com. Have a great day.